Another very popular type of flooring is wood, or one that looks like wood.
Here we've got some traditional oak flooring. It's 3/4 inch thick, solid oak. It's a great floor. This one's pre-finished. Sometimes you'll see it unfinished. Now, the problem with this in a remodeling situation is because it's so thick, it can create trouble when you're transitioning from one room to another. Another option is an engineered wood floor. This is all wood made up of layers glued together. It's about 5/16 inch thick, pre-finished. And this is great in a remodeling situation because it's so thin.
Now this is one that looks like wood but actually is a laminate flooring. A lot of people call it a floating floor because you don't attach this by gluing it or nailing it to the floor. It actually floats on a layer of foam underlayment and has this nice little snap lock that snaps right together, and very, very do-it-yourself friendly. Now, no matter what type of flooring that you're installing at your house, when you get up next to the door jambs, you're going to have a challenge there in figuring out just how to get that flooring right up against the wall like the pros do it. Well, this is what the pros use to solve that problem. It's called a jam saw, and it's a pretty aggressive saw, so you have to be fairly careful when you use it. You can slip that right out, and that goes right under there, nice and tight.
Now, another option to an electric jam saw is a hand jam saw, or you can use an electric vibrating tool as well. I prefer the hand saw because it's nice and simple, nice and quiet, doesn't create as much dust. What you need is a piece of flooring to use as a guide and flip it upside down so you don't scratch it up, and then simply make the cut. And what you're going to do is remove that little piece of wood and slide the flooring right underneath. And you can use this not only for the casing, but also for the jam on the side. It fits right in there perfectly.
Wow, mine's a lot quicker than yours there, Joe.
Yeah, mine looks neater though.